This video is about daily English conversation sentences. The first thing you have to do to become fluent in English is the art of making simple conversations. These daily use sentences assist you how to start conversation and make sure you know what you are going to talk about. As you have heard a common saying, first impression is the last impression. I am really looking forward to meeting you. I am really looking forward to meeting you. I have had a lot of work to do lately. I have had a lot of work to do lately. He is hawker. Here, hawker means peddler. Peddler means one who sells things or goods outdoors. He is hawker. Here, hawker means peddler. Peddler means one who sells things or goods outdoors. Don't make so much noise, I'm working. Don't make so much noise, I'm working. It is easy to learn and practice English. It is easy to learn and practice English. Can you get me my books? Can you get me my books? The metro is full. You will have to wait for the next one. The metro is full. You will have to wait for the next one. Don't mince words. It means to say something clearly and to the point. Don't mince words. It means to say something clearly and to the point. This watch belonged to my friend. This watch belonged to my friend. Call me when you get home. Call me when you get home. They are loaded. Here, loaded means rich. They are loaded. Here, loaded means rich. It is raining heavily outside. It is raining heavily outside. I will send you the link. I will send you the link. People are more educated now than they used to be. People are more educated now than they used to be. I am very upset right now. I am very upset right now. Can I drop in tomorrow? Can I drop in tomorrow? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Switch on the fan. Switch on the fan. I will pay for coffee. I will pay for coffee. My wallet has been stolen. My wallet has been stolen. I need to go. I need to go. You have been busy for 2 days. You have been busy for 2 days. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. How long are you going to stay in Paris? How long are you going to stay in Paris? There is plenty of time. There is plenty of time. If you need my help, please let me know. If you need my help, please let me know. I enjoy wearing comfortable and casual clothing. I enjoy wearing comfortable and casual clothing. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. Do you know how to file the IT returns? Do you know how to file the IT returns? Do it once more. Do it once more. It was a slip of tongue. It was a slip of tongue. Peel off the potato. Peel off the potato. He is good at English. He is good at English. I am off to park. I am off to park. Should I wait? Should I wait? Is it dirty? Is it dirty? Would you like to play table tennis? Would you like to play table tennis? Your hair is beautiful. Your hair is beautiful. That's too expensive. That's too expensive. That's so kind of you. That's so kind of you. My uncle is coming to visit. My uncle is coming to visit. Point well taken. Point well taken. Paris is very different from Berlin. Paris is very different from Berlin. I have no idea. I have no idea. You are really improving. You are really improving. I see your point. I see your point. Your garden is very beautiful. Your garden is very beautiful. She is coming soon. She is coming soon. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. My internet is not working. My internet is not working. I get off of work at 7. I get off of work at 7. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. I am very busy. I don't have time now. I am very busy. I don't have time now. You must drive carefully. You must drive carefully. You need not come tomorrow. You need not come tomorrow. Would you please open the window? Would you please open the window? Hang out. Hang out. Practice one lesson at a time to improve your writing and speaking English skills. Did you learn anything new? Was this helpful? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.